Hey everybody, Zach from 1980's here with an unboxing for you guys. I do not have Volume 1, just warning you that now, but I found this for $5 and I couldn't resist the deal. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, I think it was Volume 2, with 13 episodes. $5 for 13 episodes I think is a pretty fantastic deal. If you can pause the video if you want, and you can read what episodes are on there, because it might take too long. But here we go. Let that sit right there. Or not. That might take a little too long. There we go. One second, guys and girls. Gotta get this sticker off. Oh joy. If you guys and girls want to skip to the end of the closer toward the middle of the video, it will be hopefully unwrapped by then. Oh joy, I'm just messing this up. I'm getting most of it off. But I don't get why they put this extra tape on top. It's not like I'm going to steal. There we go. Here's a closer up, better close-up view of it. I absolutely love the Ninja Turtles, if you guys already know that by now. There will be 2 new unboxing videos tomorrow, and I might be doing an amiibo unboxing soon once I can get one more in my collection. But that'd be that. And here is the disc, nothing inserted. Not surprising for $5. But it has Leonardo, Donatello, and Raphael, but no Mikey. But at least the disc is orange. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow, and God bless.